This is Jim Klug. Welcome to Tech and Travel Tips with Yellow Dog Fly Fishing. This is a collection of videos designed to make you a smarter, more effective traveler, no matter where in the world you're fishing. A question we get all the time is about traveling with flies. What can I bring onto the airplane? What can I include in my carry-ons? What are the TSA regulations when it comes to traveling with flies and large hooks? Well, here's the deal. According to the TSA regulations, you are technically allowed to bring flies and hooks onto airplanes. Now, that said, we all know how it works with TSA. You get one person who's having a bad day who takes a look at what you're trying to bring on and they say, yeah, you can't carry that. I'm not going to allow you to bring that on. At that point, what are you going to do? You're going to argue with them? No, you're going to have big problems. You're going to have to walk back out, try to recheck something. So here's what I do, and here's a great solution when you're traveling to a destination trip where you're bringing a lot of flies. Now, if you're like me, you probably have a whole bunch of big, heavy boxes full of flies. All right? I'm not going to carry this on, one, because I don't want to deal with the weight. Two, I don't want to deal with any problems if they get confiscated or taken away. That said, if all this is going in my checked luggage, where all these heavy boxes are going, if anything is lost or delayed, I don't want to be out of the game when it comes to flies. So here's what I do. I take maybe a couple dozen flies. I throw them in a very simple Ziploc bag or a small plastic box. This goes into my carry-on. It can pack up small. I can fold it up. I can tuck it away. And if for whatever reason my big pile of stuff gets delayed, I know that I'm at least in the game for a couple days till my luggage catches up with me. So take a dozen or 2 dozen flies, put them in a small Ziploc bag, take all the rest of the heavy mass of flies right here, put them in your checked luggage, make sure you're in the game. If you put them in a small clear box, let's say, maybe this is your go-to selection of flies, well, what's nice is when you get there for day one, this already becomes your flats pack box, or the box that goes in your shirt pocket, or the bag that you can stick in when you're going out wading. So an easy tip and a great solution for traveling with flies to make sure that no matter what happens to your luggage, you're still fishing and still in the game. This is Jim Klug with Yellow Dog. Check us out at yellowdogflyfishing.com. If you have any other questions, give us a call. Always happy to talk to you about travel and destinations.